Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ka jingpentre ka building Mekhlia Information Technical Society, dakatnat Information Technology, kalayat cakmat hakasnong Sauli, kabadan hakasnong Maudiang New Shillong Township, la kemilti bo an la bantai pendap no yaka ha upnai liber arjar arpoi kenang makan long ke jimentoy ya kisam la ke jela ya kini la pentep do menteri jokatnat Information and Technology ke sorkar jela upa Hamlet Sondoling hadian ke jingle jurep ha ka arpun trek unailar arjar arpo harang kata jing sendran lang jang ki officer katnat Information and Technology ki bor peniat ke company ba pentre kini ke project bat kiwe kuman cukudau hang ni kini ke building balatai ha ke jaka ke bahe arpo ekartam ha ke snong Sauli lamang pisa lai pesan kelur tingka ban pendap yaka bat ya kepala pentre pat ke company beratip kum ke Badri Rai and Company Construction Limited ha unok pra arjar khat pra bat ya kepala penwandor daw arkitek upa J Kaji
ya sedang ban patri ya kini ke beling punai Oktober November yang arja kapra di kakam kelayat la IT ban patri kam ko uba apa ka company jong Badri Rai Company itu besar ya kini ke beling ru la wonder da iba ajak bor kaji di nedo masang ko gila kwa iruba kadi ke projek kere banyak hak bor dia tiga sukuban cipune abang yo banwan mentasi hani mani kejingat cepat juga kam buat apa dengan tak kembah keraka kedai peneru kakam matal dep la kembah nyoko persentam kasa amta sedang ka finishing balik sila da kamdan kejing thut nak dia kejingwan juga COVID-19 ibat kene kam la dep sasi bai apnai kejing don joni ka COVID-19 pada kelapun supino ya kene kam ndai kameli ki bro dia bi renti bat mentang warni ngawan cukup i barka gar lo sudah bat ngelai kran ru barki kontraktor banyak yang di ka building ni kira sang berpedak no po nai mars pada dengan jungaru panjur po ber mars di ban pendap no yang ni project bagi jungon hidal jong kum ni ngakwa ban mata krisai ba ngamkwa bagi project kiba kum kini kin sating kum belong tang kiwe ki project jadi projek wasang hakpor jonga barakwa ban pedabu hakpor ka jonga minister charge ni ka department barka ba konsert ne bang hakwa ban pendap jadi ka projek buling ni kolong ba kini ke projek kini subur mon aikam exam ne kana sama ka jongi babun kana sama jongi kolong well qualified in the state baru kidon kita bron phashak sel jongru kila ru akam ka jam bar kini ke buling ni la dep kini ke way ni kila ban aikam exam ne kana sama jongi kamda ke ban tray ki call center ki BPO office bar kamta teter barang ko bintu pineru buat ke building mentaro kampat dep menrei ke bubun ba company kala dep ban ya bu publication la ko banyo bentah ban pan ko ati jongi de kata ngim pat rai ro ya menrei ngi su ba ki bubun company kalong riba ki wan ban still lagi nam ta kam ka jam di bar ka ba atlet ko kalong unemployment problem kan jap subone durai ka kata kalai sebab video abik video aku abik kena kasih jungi wah kena jui dalam media jungi video ek bentak sene menteri berkam terjam apa ka state la jong ka kalong dah.
As of now we completed almost 70% of the project and the finishing work is going on. Maybe by March 2021 we will hand over this building to the department, and till today we are getting full support from department and from all the levels, from the rightful minister and every person. And the face is like when we start this project there was some local which we managed, and department also helped us to overcome. And then for last 1.5 years, we are not having any problem with the local and everything. And only due to this pandemic, we faced like various problems of the skilled labor and all. Because now at this stage we need like all the finishing work is left, and as of now we need all the skilled labors. So now like right now the government has given some policy to bring the skilled labor from outside. So we have given the letter with the documents of the person to the department also, and they are following it. So maybe like we will get the permission by next week. So the whole thing will be like neutralized within 10 days.